Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to put an animation on your model and also have music playing at the same time as the animation. So first of all, you want to import your animation and the audio. And then the next thing you want to do is go to your model on the hierarchy, go down armature, hips, and right click hips and go audio source, and then you want to drag your audio that you want to use with the animation over here, and you want to set minimum distance to 1 and max distance to like 25, I think is good, and left and right you want to put to the middle. Volume you want to boost it up a small bit, and yeah, and also make sure play on awake is checked, which it should be. Now, and also you want to check this box so it's hidden, so that way it'll only activate when the animation plays. So next you want to click your model and scroll down on the right, click the actions layer, double click that and find where your dances are on your model. So we're going to replace this one called Hot 1, and then you want to drag your animation which you imported to here, and then we're going to rename it, call it OTT Dance. And now that's on the model. So what you want to do next is click your model on the hierarchy again, hit Control D, you want to hide the original one. So then just the duplicate, you have to make sure to duplicate, because if you don't duplicate your model, you'll screw up the model, basically, it'll break. Next, you want to get your animation or action layer and drag it over to the animator controller on the duplicate, not on the original, because it has to be on duplicate. Now, then you click your animation and click here to find the OTT dance, which is right here, and then you scroll all the way to the bottom, hit add property, go to armature and hips like we added where we added the audio source, and click the little plus button right there, boop, and then might be up here, you check this little box here, and that is how you add the audio to your model with the animation, and then you just delete the duplicate, and that is it, done. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. And also here is a little test just to show that the audio and the dance works. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.